Hello and welcome. My name is Amanda Reed. I'm going to take a few minutes to take you a little bit deeper into the whiteboard and specifically show you the Screen Explorer and a few other tools. The Screen Explorer is available from Tools, Whiteboard, Explore Screens. And essentially what it's going to do is it's going to show you little thumbnails or just simply the text name of all of the slides in your session. So this is really valuable. If you want to be jumping around within the slides or the whiteboards that you've loaded into your session, or you want to delete something, you want to add something, this is really your visual place that you're going to go to be able to see exactly what's happening in the session. So let's go right into application sharing. I just quickly want to jump right in and show you exactly what this is going to look like. All right, so we've got 6 screens for today's session. I can click on the drop down and yeah, I hear the names of them, but what if I'm really not sure what's coming next? Or maybe I want to add something new in here. So I'm going to go to Tools and I'm going to go to Whiteboard and I'm going to go right to Explore Screens. And I'm going to open this up a little bit, and you're going to be able to see the little thumbnails of each one of the screens that I have coming up in this session. So let's say for this particular screen, I'm going to right click. You can see I can copy the screen, I can cut it, I can delete it, I can go to the screen properties. So maybe I wanted to actually change the name of this. I wanted to change this to say Explore Screens instead. And now notice at the top, it's changed. Now it's not going to change it on the whiteboard because this is actually a PowerPoint slide that's now converted into a whiteboard, so it's an image. So it's only changing it up at the top. And I'm going to click OK. Let's say I had new content here. I wanted to open a new file. Maybe I wanted to be combining 2 whiteboard files, presentations together, so I could load something else up in here. So that's the Explore Screens. And if I double click on any one of these, I actually can navigate. Okay? So let me close that up and show you that I also can come back to Tools, Whiteboard, and take off the thumbnails. Now if I had a whole bunch of screens, I might want to look at it without the thumbnails. So let's go back and look at Explore Objects, and now you can just see that it just gives you the name of the slides. All right, so let me just tell you a few other things. Object Explorer. Oftentimes people will say, well, geez, I want to know who put that piece of clip art on the slide, or who is writing on my slide. How can I figure this stuff out? So within the session, we have Explore Objects. And first off, you can actually select an object and right click, and you'll always see the name of the person who created it. But let's go to Tools, Whiteboard, and go down to Explore Objects. Whoops, don't make it bigger, but you can see it's going to tell you who is doing what. Now I'm the only one in this session, so it's obvious that it's going to keep putting that it's me. But notice every time something new comes onto the whiteboard. So this is how you know which student has added something to the whiteboard. Very, very helpful to explore objects. And object properties. So let's say I have an object on the screen and I want to make a change to that. I'm going to right click and go to the object properties. So let's say I wanted to change the color of this particular object. I can do that. I want to make it less opaque. I can do that. So if I had text or whatever, I could be making changes to that. So lots of changes and things you could do with object properties as well. And I already showed you screen properties from Explore Screens is where you're able to do things like change the name of a particular screen. So that was just a bit of an overview to show you that you can get a lot deeper into your content. You can go right into Explore Screens, add content, delete content, move content around, see the thumbnails, and you also can know exactly who's doing what on your whiteboard, make changes to that whiteboard. So a lot of things that you can do with the Illuminate whiteboard. I encourage you to go right to our training website, illuminate.com/training, and check out some additional training materials, especially the user guide, some of the other recordings, and quick reference guides. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this recording and enjoy getting a little bit deeper into using the whiteboard screens, especially using the Screen Explorer.